Find all the secrets in the maze. You found a secret! Join the pieces. A mother chicken is called a hen. You found a secret! Join the pieces. A hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. You found a secret! Join the pieces. When the baby chickens hatch, they're called hatchlings. You unlocked the door. A mother chicken is called a hen. A hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. When the baby chickens hatch, they're called hatchlings. The tent is a mess. Elliot needs to find some of his things. Can you find the hidden objects? Great! You found the teddy bear. Good job! You found the sunglasses. Great! You found the sock. Good job! You found the canteen. Great! You found the potato. Yay! You found them all. Come back soon for more.